Hey guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're out here at Oxenford today doing a new water line installation for a customer who shares a duplex with her neighbour. But we've organised a council permit to go out and install a separate meter so that this customer can now utilise her own water and pay for it independently. So we're going to run you through step by step through the project. Stay with us. Alrighty, update. We, as you would have seen in the last video, we always get our underground service location team out, scan the area for any services. So, obviously we're digging in a safe environment, not going to hit anything. Be very cautious, can never be too careful. So that leads us on to the excavation works. Alright, it's starting to heat up here and we're making progress. We've got the water line in, as you can see behind me. We've added sand to protect the pipe, just to avoid any leaks. Got to have that sand around the pipe. I'll show you the downstream side. There you have it, all the way to the meter. So we're on track here, things are looking good. We'll have this water turned on. We've isolated the end of the line just so we can pressure test, make sure there's no leaks, and flush out any debris if there is any. So stay with us. On to the next. Alrighty guys, that's job done. We're actually starting to lose the sun here, so it's been a big day, but we've completed the water rerun. Job looks great. We've taken our time with the backfill and clean up, just so it looks exactly how we found it. We installed the new ball valve, pressure regulator, so we can adjust the pressure if necessary. Very happy with that. So if you guys need anything with water meters, water lines replaced, anything plumbing related, give the experts a call. See you on the next one.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.